Walking with confidence is one of life's greatest gifts. It means you can take that morning stroll to the park, navigate the grocery store aisles with ease, and keep up with your grandkids on a sunny afternoon. After 60, maintaining this simple freedom becomes more important than ever. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about living a full, vibrant, and independent life. Staying strong on your feet is the foundation for everything else you want to do. Many of you tell me you worry about losing your strength or your balance. You might feel a little less steady than you used to, or perhaps you notice that climbing a flight of stairs takes a bit more effort. These are common experiences, but they are not your destiny. Think of your body like a classic car. With the right fuel and a little tune-up, it can run beautifully for years to come. So what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for building strength could be found right in your kitchen cupboard? Today, I want to share a simple, enjoyable, and powerful secret that can help you walk stronger and feel younger. Drinking specific kinds of tea. As we celebrate more birthdays, our bodies naturally go through changes. One of the most significant changes happens to our muscles. Scientists have a name for it, sarcopenia, but all it really means is that we tend to lose muscle mass and strength as we age. This can make everyday activities like carrying groceries or getting up from a chair feel more challenging. You might notice your legs feel tired more quickly, or that you don't have the same power you once did. This isn't a sign of failure, it's simply a signal from your body that it needs a different kind of support now. Fatigue is another major hurdle many of us face. Sometimes it feels like your energy battery just doesn't hold a charge as long as it used to. This isn't just in your head, it's a real physical phenomenon. This is where the magic of tea comes in. Certain teas are loaded with natural compounds called antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Think of these compounds as your body's personal cleanup crew. They help protect your muscle cells from damage, reduce the low-grade inflammation that can contribute to muscle soreness and weakness. Our first champion in the quest for stronger legs is one you probably already know and love: green tea. This incredible beverage has been celebrated for centuries and for good reason. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, with the most famous one being EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. Think of EGCG as a superhero for your muscle cells. Research has shown that it can help protect muscles from the natural wear and tear that comes with age and activity. It helps keep the cells healthy so they can do their job of contracting and supporting you, whether you're walking, standing, or climbing stairs. Studies suggest that the compounds in green tea can help improve how our body responds to insulin, the hormone that helps move sugar from our blood into our cells for energy. Making green tea a part of your routine is wonderfully simple. Aim for 1 to 2 cups a day, perhaps in the morning or early afternoon to take advantage of its gentle energy boost. Let the boiled water cool for a minute or two before pouring it over your tea bag or loose leaves. Steep for about 3 minutes and enjoy. Next up is a wonderfully warming and zesty brew ginger tea. Ginger is a root that has been used for thousands of years, not just for its fantastic flavor, but as a natural remedy for all sorts of ailments. When it comes to keeping you strong on your feet, ginger is a true powerhouse. Its main active compound is called gingerol, which is known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. This is incredibly important for aging muscles. The low-level chronic inflammation that can settle into our bodies over time can contribute to muscle weakness and pain. Drinking ginger tea helps to calm that inflammation right at the source. By reducing inflammation, it can help ease muscle soreness and joint discomfort, making movement more comfortable. Ginger also does something remarkable for your circulation. Good blood flow is absolutely essential for muscle health. Your blood is the delivery service that brings oxygen and vital nutrients to your leg muscles. Incorporating ginger tea into your day is a delightful experience. Simply take a small piece of fresh ginger root, about 1 inch long, peel it, and slice it thinly. Our final tea is a beautiful reddish-brown brew from South Africa called Rooibos, sometimes known as red bush tea. What makes Rooibos so special is that it's naturally caffeine-free, so you can enjoy it any time of day or night without worrying about it disrupting your sleep. Rooibos is loaded with a unique blend of antioxidants, including aspalathin and quercetin, which are fantastic for protecting your body against the stresses of aging. These powerful antioxidants in Rooibos are excellent at fighting what scientists call oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as a form of rust that can damage your body's cells, including your muscle cells. This damage can accelerate the aging process and contribute to muscle weakness. Furthermore, Rooibos is known to support bone health, which is the essential framework that your muscles rely on. Some studies have suggested that the antioxidants in Ruos can help stimulate the cells that build new bone tissue while suppressing the cells that break it down. Because it's caffeine-free and has a naturally sweet, earthy flavor, Ruos is the perfect evening tea. Enjoying a warm cup before bed can be a wonderfully relaxing ritual that helps you unwind. Embracing these 3 teas, green, ginger, and Ruos, is a simple, enjoyable step toward a future of strong legs, confident walking, and vibrant independence.